called a jollyologist. Sounds kind of funny, but that's the way it's supposed to be. I like to hear people laugh, and I love myself laughing.
I'm here as a support person to the head jollyologist.
My superpower is gardening and growing things and looking after my family.
My superpower is that I'm never bored.
My superpower is my drive to keep on learning no matter how old I get.
Well, my husband tells me I talk too much, and I guess my superpower would be that not only do I talk too much, I always want to help people.
My superpower is volunteerism. I try to volunteer wherever possible.
And I like to do a lot of things for people. I like cooking. I love Maine. I love America. And I just love everything. I'm alive, and I'm thankful and blessed.
My superpower is loving people.
Well, my grandchildren gave me a mug that says, "I'm a grandma. What's your superpower?"
My superpower is perseverance. If I commit to something, if it's important, I persevere, I move forward until the project, or whatever it might be, is completed.
My superpower is my ability to gather my crafty friends and neighbors together, and we make earrings which we share with local cancer centers.
I would say my superpower, if it's super, is liking everything, being interested in everything. I've had a couple of careers. I've done quite a number of things since we moved to Bar Harbor. Senior College is certainly high up on my list, where I teach and been on the board and taken classes and just generally loved it.
My superpower is my voice, because I'm just a really happy person, so I'm really happy and it's contagious. And then when I tell them my name is Joy, they go, "That is just such a perfect name. Joy is joy."
I love art and I love creating different ways of creating. From whatever I find on the island as I walk around, I try to transform into some form of art. And that has helped a lot of people because they feel so closed up that they have nothing to offer. When they see what I do, they know they have everything to offer. They get to work and they feel excited about themselves.
That is perfect.
Good. You got it?
I got it.